Alright, you ready?
Alright,
All right.
burning of dead birds.
Take one and only.
Alright, hold on.
Alright, first step, you have to wrap bird up. Make sure that no part of it is visible because it's just really nasty. I can see the head a little bit. It's a little bit nasty. But
Oh, well, alright.
Second step is let it on fire.
So,
This is the cute part. Yay! This is what gives little kids nightmares. I think we might go this off.
maybe. Hey, knuckle light. Do it, let's see.
You do it. Aw, I think his fur's burning, or feathers, or whatever you call it.
Fucking piece of shit. God damn it!
I wish we had gas.
Go get some. I can't. There isn't. Suck some out of that. You couldn't pick the shit of your later, could you?
The only one there was. At least we got to see a cat's wings.
Without hitting the head with a rock.
Because you threw it at it.
Hold on. God damn it. Fucking bird. Want me to just stomp on it?
Do it.
Should I? Wait, go get me that bike. I'll run it over with the bike. Oh, I'll punt it across the yard. Ready?
Positive stuff.
No, leave it on. Dead bird. No, re-record it.
Hunting of dead flaming bird.
Oh, God. All right, ready? You recording this?
Yeah.
Hunting of dead flaming bird. Yeah. Oh.
What?
Well,